I searched how to buy shares of Streamwide SA, a French communications and software firm listed on Euronext under the ticker ALSTW.PA. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ALSTW.PA to find the listing. Select the result that matches Streamwide SA to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the brief company summary and the price chart to confirm details. Make sure the company description and the ALSTW.PA ticker match Streamwide SA. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, your order will be pending until it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform.